Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good and having a very happy and very healthy and positive life with your family, with your friends. So my name is Purba. Those who are visiting me for the first time, I just want to let you know that I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and videos for you all. So my today's video is going to be all about 900 calorie Indian diet plan, and this is a vegetarian diet plan with just one egg recipe. So this is a full day diet plan. I hope you are going to enjoy all the recipes that I'll be sharing with you all today. And this is a requested video. Many friends, they have requested me to share 900 calorie full diet plan, so that's why I made this video for you all. So now without wasting any time, let's start. So my friends, after waking up in the morning, the first thing you have to take a glass of lemon honey water. Yes my friends, lemon water can do wonder to cut your stubborn belly fat, and also it will help you to lose your overall body fat. It is packed with antioxidants and also pectin fiber that may help losing your belly fat. Also my friends, it supports hydration and it boosts your metabolism, and also it increases your weight loss. So please try to add lemon honey water, the perfect early morning drink in your diet. So here you can see I'm making my lemon honey water, just one glass of warm water, and then I have added some honey and lemon into it, and now I'm going to enjoy this lemon honey water. It's packed with fiber, antioxidants as I told you before, and also with vitamin C, and it is very good for your skin and for your hair too, and also to lose your belly fat. This is just perfect early morning drink. And my friends, now it's breakfast time. After having your early morning drink, now around 8:30 you all should take your breakfast. So today in this 900 calorie diet plan, I have put poha because poha is a perfect breakfast choice for those who are on your weight loss journey. Poha is easily digestible, it has vegetables into it, and also my friends, it's loaded with fiber. And as I told you, it's very low in calorie. It has about 75% of carb and only 23% of fat, which makes it actually one of the most ideal choice for breakfast. The ideal choice for the pan, I have added some oil, just 1 teaspoon of oil, and then I have added some cumin seeds and also mustard seed. And here I'm going to add my chopped onion and chopped green chili, and then I'm sauteing it well. Making poha is very easy, and to make it even more healthy and more fiber rich, you have to add lots of vegetable into it, and trust me, it will taste just super good. And here I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, not much if you're on your weight loss journey, and if you're following any low calorie diet plan, you have to cut down salt and sugar from your diet. I told you many times before. And now this onion and green chili looks perfect. This is the ideal time to add the vegetable. Today I have added shimla mirch or green capsicum and also some carrots. You can add whatever vegetables you like in your poha, but please make sure you have to add some veggies in your poha to make it even more healthy and more fiber enriched. And here I have added some raisins and some peanuts. I always love the crunch of peanut in my poha, so I always love to add it. And yes, now I'm sauteing everything well. After sauteing it for a few minutes, now here I'm going to add just a little amount of water, and then I'll cover the lid, and then within just 2-3 minutes my vegetables will be well cooked. And since it's breakfast, so I don't want to add lots of masalas into it, but yes, if you want to add, you can add coriander powder, you can add cumin powder, but today I have just added little amount of haldi powder or turmeric powder, and that's it. And here you can see within 2-3 minutes my sabji is well cooked, and at this point here I'm going to add my marinated poha. My friends, I have marinated my poha with some turmeric powder and little amount of salt. You can add it later, but it's always good if you can add it before. So now here you can see it's looking very colorful and very tasty and very tempting, and it's almost ready. And at the end here I'm going to add some lemon juice, and my poha is looking super perfect. Also I have added some garam masala, and that's it. And my friends, here comes the breakfast. So you can make this poha within just no time in your busy morning schedule. And as I told you, it is very low in calorie. So in this one bowl of poha, you will get just 180 calorie. And here with poha, I'm going to add some yogurt, small bowl of yogurt or dahi, that is 75 calories. So the total breakfast count is 255 calorie. Now it's time for mid-morning snack. After having your breakfast and before having your lunch around 10:30 or 11, you can have some mid-morning snack, and that can be one apple, some grapes, or you can have watermelon, whatever you like. This lunch I'll be making very low calorie and very healthy yet super delicious lunch, and that will be splitted moong dal, and it's very good for your weight loss journey. It's loaded with fiber and loaded with antioxidants. My friends, here in the oil I have added some cumin seeds or jeera, and then dry red chili, and also I have added few whole black pepper, and then I have added chopped onion into it, and then in the pressure cooker I'm going to saute it well, and just a little amount of salt, not much, and then again I'm going to saute my onion. Within just 1 to 2 minutes my onions will be ready. So this is a very simple dal chawal kind of lunch, since it's a very low calorie diet plan, so I'll make just dal chawal, but you will see that I'll make my rice in a little different way today, so please stay tuned. And here I'm going to add some dry masalas. So this is basically a mixture of cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and little bit of black pepper powder, and this dal will taste just super good, and this is the source of protein and this is the main course, so we have to make this dal in a very delicious way, but yet it should be very healthy at the same time. And after sauteing the masala with onion, here I'm going to add my moong dal into it. I have added some water, warm water, and also I have sauteed my dal with all the masalas for 2 to 3 minutes. And after adding the water, now I'm going to cover the lid and I'll wait for 3 whistles. And now here my dal looks super perfect. After 3 whistles, the dal is just like that, and also I have added some garam masala on top for extra flavor, and this is looking actually super delicious. So my dal is ready. After making the dal, now it's time to make the rice. And my friends, today I'll make the rice in a little different way. I have already leftover rice from previous night, and in the oil I have added some cabbage. To make my rice actually even more fiber enriched, I just got this idea. So please do try it in your home, and this is an excellent recipe, and you will love it. Your everyday rice will be even more tasty if you can make it in this way. So yeah, after adding the cabbage, here I have added some red bell pepper, and also I have added onion, and you can add beans, you can add peas, whatever you like. And yes, now my veggie is well sauteed, and this is the perfect time to add the rice into it. Just 1 bowl of rice, not much. And my friends, after adding the rice, now I have mixed everything well, and also I have added just a little amount of turmeric powder and little bit of dhania powder, and that's it. No other masalas into it. If you have dhania patta or coriander leaf, you can add it. And my friends, this is how the whole lunch platter looks like. It's looking super healthy, super delicious, and this is just a small bowl of rice that I have made today. Rice with some vegetable, and this is also with leftover rice, so you can actually reuse your rice from previous night. And also on the top of the dal I have added some ghee, because Rujuta ma'am, she always tells to add some ghee in the diet, and 1 roasted papad and some salad. And now it's time to have some afternoon or evening snacks around 5:30 whenever you will feel hungry. My friends, please, this is my request, don't go for any outside junk food. Instead, you can have something very healthy. So this is one cup of green tea, and with that I'm going to add some nuts, that is walnuts and some peanuts, and just one piece of digestive oats biscuit, and this will be the perfect and ideal evening or afternoon snacks. And now it's time to make a delicious, healthy and yet low calorie dinner. So today I'm going to have one mixed vegetable with egg and one multigrain chapati. That will be my dinner idea, and you can make it easily in your home. Just you have to make a simple dough with this multigrain atta flour, and with that you can add some kasuri methi and masalas of your choice. I have added some dry red chili powder, I have added some cumin powder, roasted dhania powder, and then I made this dough. And here in the karhai on the other side I'm making a simple sabji. In the olive oil I have added my broccoli and then bell pepper and also some onion. It will be vegetable stir fry, and today I have this Mexican fajita masala mix in my home. If you don't have, you can just have you can add roasted cumin powder, you can have roasted dhania powder or black pepper powder, but today I have this spice mix in my home, so I have added it. And now here, to make it even more protein rich, for the source of protein in my dinner, I have added beaten eggs. So if you don't want to add egg, then for the protein with this sabji you have to take one simple bowl of dal. So please make sure to add protein in your diet. So today instead of dal I'm going to have some egg, and that's why in this vegetable saute I have added these beaten eggs. So it will be scrambled egg with some vegetable, and trust me, it will taste just super good, super delicious. And here I have added some black pepper powder. My friends, please remember that black pepper promotes weight loss, so please try to add black pepper in your diet as much as possible, and also it is very good for your overall health. And to make it even little more spicy, I have added some chili flakes into it. And just look at this sabji with egg is looking super delicious and super tempting. Here my sabji is ready, and also I'm making one simple chapati. And at the dinner time I'm going to add some ghee on top, because ghee is very good for your heart health and your bone health. So please try to add ghee in your diet. And yes, this is how the dinner platter looks like. Isn't it looking very gorgeous and very colorful, my friends? Please do try it in your home, and please let me know how you liked it. And yes, one bowl of sabji loaded with iron and other essential vitamins, and with fiber of course, and one multigrain chapati. And my friends, after having this dinner within 1 hour or 2 hours before bedtime, you can have one glass of haldi milk, and that can be the last meal of your diet. That's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my 900 calorie full day Indian vegetarian diet plan. Please do try it in your home, and if you are on your weight loss journey, I'm sure you are going to like this diet plan, and also you are going to like all the recipes that I have shared with you all today. Please take care of your health, have plenty of water, and also please do your regular exercise. Tata, bye bye, love you.